People are everywhere, yet conversations have become increasingly rare. Many citizens now spend more time with AI than real people. Families still gather together, but meaningful conversations slowly disappear. Augmented reality becomes more important than the world around us. Public transportation grows quieter as everyone enters their own digital space. For many people, AI companions become trusted emotional partners. Even close friends begin communicating through intelligent digital systems. Every screen competes for human attention, every second of the day. Many children grow up alongside intelligent machines instead of playmates. Classrooms become quieter as AI tutors replace human interaction. Even workplaces become filled with silent digital communication. Social media evolves into deeply personalized artificial realities. Many people spend hours alone inside endless streams of digital content. Real relationships slowly fade beneath constant technological distraction. Shopping becomes guided entirely by intelligent recommendation system. Artificial intelligence always listens, never judges, and never interrupts. Human conversations become less common inside modern workplaces. Children share more moments with AI than with each other. Every citizen begins living inside a completely personalized digital world. Many people trust AI therapists more than human counselors. Crowded cities become strangely silent despite millions of people. Virtual worlds often feel more comfortable than reality itself. Older generations remember when families actually talk together. Travelers move together physically, but remain emotionally disconnected. Artificial intelligence learns human emotions better every single year. Many people begin choosing AI over real friendships. Families slowly become strangers living under the same roof. Some people even fall in love with artificial intelligence. Students communicate through screens instead of speaking directly. Invisible digital networks quietly connect every person in society. Many people ignore loved ones while responding instantly to AI. Restaurants remain full, but conversations almost disappear completely. AI influencers become more trusted than real human voices. Children begin learning life lessons from intelligent machines. Libraries become places where AI answers every question instantly. Technology surrounds people, yet loneliness continues growing. Entire societies become connected digitally, but separated emotionally. Even couples struggle to communicate without technology between them. Every person begins living inside a different version of reality, and slowly, humanity forgets how simple conversations once brought people together. Many children now choose AI companions over playing with real friends. Families spend more time with technology than with each other. Busy airports remain crowded, yet conversations become increasingly rare. Personal AI assistants guide people through nearly every daily decision. Many citizens trust AI therapists with their deepest emotion. Entertainment becomes more immersive than real human experience. Dinner tables grow quieter as AI companions replace family conversation. Even workplaces become dependent on silent digital communication. People gather together physically, but drift apart emotionally. Artificial intelligence learns more about human emotions every single day. Many people find greater comfort in AI than in real relationships. Family celebrations become moments of recording instead of connecting. Children begin learning emotional skills from intelligent machines. AI systems process billions of conversations every day. Some couples rely on AI just to keep talking. Coffee shops become filled with people but almost no conversation. Many children fall asleep listening to AI instead of their parents. Public spaces slowly lose the feeling of real human connection. Some people walk through life accompanied only by artificial intelligence. Families meet through holograms even while living in the same city. Social media becomes controlled almost entirely by intelligent algorithms. Many elderly people spend their final years talking only to AI companions. Students leave school connected to devices instead of each other. Shopping becomes guided by artificial intelligence instead of human interaction. Virtual worlds begin replacing experiences in the real world. Some people choose AI relationships over real human love. Public gatherings become surrounded by digital companions instead of conversation. Artificial intelligence even helps people communicate with one another. Children begin imagining AI as part of their families. Hospitals use intelligent companions to comfort lonely patients. Entire neighborhoods become filled with people living separate digital lives. Many people forget what real eye contact feels like. Artificial intelligence quietly observes billions of daily interactions. Restaurants remain crowded, but silence fills every table. Many workers feel isolated despite being surrounded by people. Billions become connected through technology, but disconnected from each other. Some people finally switch off their AI companions and face complete silence. Every passenger travels inside a different digital reality. Communication towers connect every device but cannot reconnect human heart. And slowly, humanity forgets how to simply talk to one another. Some people finally chose to disconnect from their AI companion. Crowded streets remained full, yet almost nobody looked at one another. Many elderly people spent more time with AI than with their own family. Global communication networks connected billions of people every second. Children increasingly turned to AI for answers instead of their parents. Many citizens felt surrounded by information but completely alone. Artificial intelligence became better at holding conversations than most humans. Couples slowly stopped sharing real moments together. Some children formed stronger bonds with machines than with friends. Entire cities glowed with millions of isolated digital lives. Every citizen became connected through invisible intelligent networks. Students learned more from AI than from each other. Workplaces became quieter as digital communication replaced conversation. Some people finally walked away from endless. Artificial intelligence observed billions of human emotions every single day. Crowds moved together, but every person lived inside a separate digital world. Many families accepted AI companions as part of everyday life. Gigantic AI systems quietly watched over modern society. Some people wondered if humanity had forgotten how to truly connect. Libraries became places where machines answered every question instantly. A new generation began searching for life beyond constant digital connection. Playgrounds slowly became quieter than anyone had imagined. Artificial intelligence preserved every conversation ever recorded. Experts warned that loneliness had become a global epidemic. Communication towers connected devices more easily than people. AI mapped human relationships with incredible precision. Many teenagers missed a world they had never experienced. Technology continued expanding faster than human relationships could grow. Artificial intelligence never stopped talking, even when people did. Children still wanted genuine friendship more than perfect machines. Global communication networks reached every corner of the planet. Cities became louder with technology but quieter with human voices. Classrooms slowly lost the sound of real conversation. Some grandparents found comfort only through intelligent companions. Artificial intelligence understood every message sent across the world. One young man finally removed his digital glass. For the first time in years, two strangers simply talked. As the sun rose, more people looked away from their screen. Children laughed together without intelligent machines between them. And humanity slowly remembered that no technology could ever replace a real conversation.